In this video, we'll show you how you can connect and use two Bluetooth headphones together on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So to do this, first head to the settings app, tap on connections. Now here you will need to go to Bluetooth. Now first thing you need to do is simply pair your Bluetooth headphones like usual. So simply put your devices in pairing mode and then select them from this available devices section. So as you can see, I've already paired my Galaxy Buds and the Apple AirPods. Once you have done that, simply connect your headphones one by one. So I'll first pair the Galaxy Buds. So as you can see, it now says connected. Now I'll also pair my AirPods Pro. So I'll select that from here and they are now connected too. So I have currently connected two different Bluetooth headphones. Now what you need to do is open your music player from the notification panel. And here you will need to select this media output option. Now here you will need to select both the Bluetooth headphones. So I'll just select this checkbox. I can control their volume individually from here using this slider. Now if I play the music will play on both these headphones. So this is how you can use two different Bluetooth headphones on your Samsung Galaxy phone. This also works for Bluetooth speaker as well. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.